Hello and welcome back. This video has been created as a help for jumping bean Tunisian crocheted shawl or blanket. You will start your project with one row of simple stitches, and I do have a video how to make that. I will leave the link in the description. So let's focus how we are making our skip bean stitches. And just to let you know, this bean stitch is a little bit different than regular Tunisian bean stitch. Okay, let's make one stitch. You will yarn over and then you place your hook after the yarn over from previous row, and you will make like a bean stitch, but we will close those 3 loops before we move to the next stitch. And we're repeating the same stitch across the row moving forward. So let's work to the end of this row and I will show you how to do your return pass. We are always skipping the first space and we're making stitches behind a loop that we yarn over. So closing 3. Yarn over, behind the yarn over, little bean, closing 3. So it's very, very simple and relaxing stitch to work on. But again, with every pattern, you need some practice. And we have few more stitches just to be done. Again, behind that yarn over, remember that. There you go. Now you yarn over and you place hook like you normally do when you finish your row with using 2 loops, and we chain 1 again. We're bringing that hook a little bit higher. Now every return pass you will close 2 loops only, so it's exactly like you will be working simple stitches return pass. So it's very, very simple return pass. And again, you can work this stitch pattern vertically or horizontally, depending how you want it. For blankets, probably does not matter because blankets are very large in size and you can, place them the way you wish. But for scarves, I personally like to make fewer rows and work in long rows instead of short ones. I hope this was helpful. See you next time.